Hello to all my love and light beings. Welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D. In today's video, we're doing our last unboxing for Ricky's Cult Crushes. This is actually from September, and I was planning on doing a Cult Crushes September versus October. The reason why I waited this long and it never came, so I ended up emailing them and made contact with Alexandria Ryan, and she had sent me this email, and I was really sad to hear that Ricky's Cult Crushes is no more. Big sad face. But without further ado, let's go ahead and do this unboxing. The first thing in here is Grande Stay Put lip liner. Tame your lip color and create flawless definition with this unique invisible lip liner. Just line and define to instantly contour lips, preventing bleeding colors and fill in the appearance of lip lines. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. There's some paper in here. Stay put. Start at edge of lip, define your lip arch, apply lipstick or gloss to complete your look. So that's what it looks like. It's just a plain, clear lip liner. Oh, and I just busted it. Would you look at that? So that kind of sucks. Fortunately, there's a lot of product left in there still. But so I don't waste it, I'm going to go ahead and stuff it back in there. That way I can still try it out. So that's pretty cool. Clear hydrating lip liner. One of the things that I notice when I use black lipstick is that it tends to smear a lot and gets all over. So this would be something that I might use for black lipstick. The next thing in here is the CNF Hydrating Lip Mask. This hydrogel lip patch contains hydrating and nourishing ingredients including collagen, hyaluronic acid, and green tea. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes for soft, voluminous, and kissable lips. So that's pretty cool. And they usually had sent 5 products all the time, but for some reason this month they had only sent 4 products. Here's the third one. This is by NYX. The Liquid Lingerie in Ruffle Trim. And it is a liquid lipstick. Slip into something more seductive with this luxurious liquid lipstick. The irresistible cinnamon pink shade will coat the curves of your lips with a plush matte finish. So I didn't get it open all the way, but let's go ahead and swatch it here. It's a darker nude. It doesn't really have a smell. There it is there. I haven't tried any of the NYX Liquid Lingerie lips yet, so we'll have to try that out. And the last, and the very least, last thing is by LA Splash. Lumos Highlighting Palette. Let your inner confidence shine with this magical highlighting palette, perfect for all skin tones. The buildable and versatile formula can be applied alone or wet for intense luminosity. So let's go ahead and try one out. Let's try this hex out over here. Ooh, super blingy. Hello, highlighter. Probably better applied with a brush, but we're just doing this for the video purposes of this video. Let's go ahead and try. This one is Illuminate. As you see my terrible skin there. And let's try this Lumos. Let's go right on my nose. Ooh. That is some blingy stuff. And then the very last color is Jinx. And I saved the pink to go over this pink blush here. Add a little more. Wow, it is definitely nice. And LA Splash is an affordable brand. The only place I've actually seen any of their products is at Burlington, because up here in Alaska it's hard to find makeup products other than Ulta Beauty and Sephora, and you'd be surprised at the limited stuff that Ulta Beauty has. So that's it for my Ricky's Cult Crushes. I love them so much, but now they're gone. So I'm going to probably look for another subscription box to replace this one. If you guys have any ideas, the first box that I ever wanted was, not Glossy Box, BoxyCharm. I really wanted BoxyCharm. I seen a lot of people opening their, doing their unboxing videos, and I am still a huge fan, but unfortunately they do not ship to Alaska. But in the letter that they wrote me, they said yet. So I haven't checked them out in probably 6 or 8 months. And so I do not know if they ship up here. They actually might. So that's something that I'm looking forward to. I'll have to check it out again. But anyways, you guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate all your love and support. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. Give me a big thumbs up. Love you. See you in the next one.